Hello class, today we're going to learn about triangles and how to distinguish different kinds of triangles. When you think of a triangle, what's the first number that comes to mind? Yes, Ashna?
3.
Yes. Why is that, do you think?
Because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices.
Yes, so in triangles there are 3 key aspects of the triangle, and they are the sides, angles, and vertices, like Ashna said. So, as we see, these are the 3 things that triangles are made of. There are 2 ways you can distinguish different kinds of triangles. They based on the sides or the angles. Today we'll be learning how to distinguish different types of triangles based on number of sides, or based on the correlation of their sides. So, the 3 ways to distinguish triangles based on sides. Number 1, we have equilateral triangles.
What's an equilateral triangle?
An equilateral triangle is where all 3 sides of the triangle are the same length. And so what this will look like is, it's kind of like your typical triangle, very picturesque. As such. So in this case, this triangle, all 3 sides are 4 inches long. This one is 4 inches, this one is 4 inches, and this one is 4 inches as well. The second way to distinguish a triangle, or the second type of triangle we're going to study today, is the isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle is different from the equilateral triangle. The equilateral, while all 3 are the same length, isosceles triangle, 2 of the 3 will be the same length. So when I draw this, this triangle, these 2 sides are the same length, whereas this one is clearly shorter than these 2. These 2 will be 4 inches long, and this third one is not 4 inches. The third type of triangle we're going to study today is called the scalene triangle. And the scalene is different in that while these 2 have similar lengths of sides, this one, all the 3 sides are different lengths. And so the scalene, therefore, can look like a lot of different ways. It can be like one really big side, one sort of medium length side, and then a shorter side. And like this one, none of the sides are the same length. So these are the 3 kinds of sides we have. We have these 3 kinds of triangles we have. We have equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. And so to better engrave this into your mind, I have a sort of call and response song that will hopefully help you remember it better. So if you just repeat after me, equilateral, equilateral.
Equilateral, equilateral.
That is when every single.
That is when every single.
Side is the same and angle is the same.
Side is the same and angle is the same.
There we go. So that's for equilateral. Isosceles is very similar. We'll go isosceles, isosceles.
Isosceles, isosceles.
That is when 2 of the 3.
That is when 2 of the 3.
Sides are the same and angles are the same.
Sides are the same and angles are the same.
And finally, scalene, also similar rhyme. It's scalene, scalene.
Scalene, scalene.
That is when none of the.
That is when none of the.
Sides are the same and angles are the same.
Sides are the same and angles are the same.
Perfect. So yeah, these are the 3 ways we can distinguish triangles based on sides. It's equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Are there any questions now? Not at all? Well, good. So yeah, that's kind of the lesson for today. You can also, there are also ways to distinguish based on angles, but like I said, today's lesson was solely focused on how to distinguish based on the lengths of the sides. So just one more review. Equilateral, that's when every single side is the same. Isosceles is when 2 of the 3 sides are the same. And scalene is when none of the sides are the same. Awesome.